We are a professional manufacturer and exporter of fashion garments. Over 20 years' experience in ladies' garment for ODM and OEM. Good at fast fashion, from sourcing, production, quality control, fast delivery. Fashion which is affordable to a new generation of women who have a passion to create a new self-image every day. We can make multiple styles in any fabric, fashion, or format you require, including lacewear, chiffon ruffle details, woven jackets, jersey tops, and anything else you may desire. We are specializing in fast fashion. Changing is our advantage, and we have the production capacity to make sample in 3 days, production in 10 to 15 days. 200 to 300 styles in a month, 200,000 pieces per month. Close to the biggest fabric market in the world, our designer can source the latest fabric and accessory to make the new styles. We also have cooperative factory in Cambodia, with quantity 3,000 pieces in 2 color can make in Cambodia. Flexible and reasonable supplier chain. If you need any custom service, please contact us. We can offer you many color options, print, no MOQ, low price in high quality level, free sample, short delivery. We have our own design team, sample room to support OEM, ODM.
Sexy style, fabric good for fall, winter. Here the hoodie.